These are the effective funny lines for 2024. These are what are included in our content today. But before that, I invite you to like our video as support and subscribe to our YouTube channel. But of course, with solid bara, a Filipino term for witty retorts or comebacks, classic jokes can't be left out. So let's watch the funny lines now in 2024. And the first on our list is the just uploaded Battle of Sainyo and Shernan. Besides being the #1 and #2 most viewed battle MCS in the whole world, and they are also known as Shernan and Sainyo, who are great jokers in the league, and in their match, they did not disappoint the viewer, because the battle became very classic.
Hindi ko yan gustong kalaban. Hinihingi ko veterano. All gods, binigyan mo ako batikan. Tangina Shernan, ang kauna-unahang rapper na Dalmatian. Maawa ka sa misis mo, brother. Baka pwedeng pakiconsider. Paano pag binabakhag mong partner? Parang magpapalit ng galon sa water dispenser.
Pag niyayakap daw ako ng asawa ko, pag ganon, parang nagpapalit ng galon. Ano ba naman yan? Mamaya pag niyakap ka ni B, sabihin niya, totoo ba yung mga sinabi ni Shernan? Handang-handa ako sa battle na to. Yung gigil ko sa battle rap, ikaw lang ang pinaglaanan. Sa sobrang focus ko, kaya kong magjakol kahit may problema pinagdadaanan.
Isa pang pangmalakasang funny lines ay yung ginawang flick jiba
sa inyong tahanan.